Hey guys, boy Joe. Welcome back to Anomalous Coffee. Today we're looking at a cup of fentanyl. Sorry, I had to do that. After all, fentanyl is still big in the fucking drug crisis. Yep. Oh my god. Soft, numbing, like velvet soaked in poison, creeping before I can pull away. Limbs going slack, thoughts unravel, sinking into something quiet, something deep. My pulse slows. Too slow. Was I supposed to fade this fast? Not if it's fucking fentanyl. Yo, what the fuck? That is not what I anticipated. Looks like you had too much fentanyl. Sickly spirit. You look high as fuck. My god. Okay, that is the cup of fentanyl. If you enjoyed this episode, please stay tuned for the next video. Bye-bye.